Do you guys remember the video that I did a couple of days ago about the XbotGo AI Cameraman? Well guys, they were so happy about it that they sent me a second unit that I'm ready to give away to one of you lucky viewers. The only thing is I'm going to have to pay the shipping myself, and that's why we thank the sponsor of this video, UPDF, that is not only a powerful PDF editor, that is compatible with all of your devices, so you can use it anywhere that you are. For example, you can use it on your web browser, you can use it into Android device, into your Windows PC, you can use it in your iOS, and of course in your macOS. This is an all-in-one PDF editor that supports reading, annotating, editing, syncing, converting, encrypting, signing, and organizing PDF, making it the ultimate tool for all your document needs. And it's really a game changer, especially with its integrated AI tools that make your documents management to the next level. Now imagine that you can able to upload a document into the cloud and ask the questions about this content. UPDF AI capabilities allow you to do just that, wherever if you are dealing with a complex report or an extensive research paper. The AI can summarize lengthy documents into digestible snippets, saving you hours of reading time. But of course, UPDF AI also excels at translation. If you need to understand a PDF written in another language, simply select the text, and the AI will translate into one of the 38 available languages. Now, for those tricky sections in your documents that are hard to grasp, UPDF AI can explain complex terms and ideas, making even the most technical content understandable. Just select the text and watch the AI simplify it for you. Additionally, UPDF AI can help you to write and organize your documents. Whenever you are drafting a business plan or an academic paper, the AI provides suggestions, improves text clarity, and ensures your writing is cohesive and professional. And UPDF also supports OCR technology, allowing you to turn scanned documents into editable and searchable PDF files. And like I said before, it's cross-platform, so you can able to share your documents with anything that you're using in your ecosystem for your work. So if you're looking, guys, for a PDF editor that is packed with features for a really good price, UPDF is the one for you. With all of the options that they have, editing, syncing, signing, and everything, and included the powerful AI, is the best tool that you can have. With the sponsor out of the way, if you want to win the XbotGo AI Cameraman, the only thing that you have to do is a couple of things, of course. The first one is to go into the description down below, where you're going to find the link with all the information that you need. Now, this giveaway is not going to be worldwide, so check that your country is included or not. I'm sorry about this, but depending on the laws and the price of shipping, of course, I cannot send it anywhere. There in the description, you're going to see as well the link to Glim, where you're going to have to sign yourself in and follow all the tasks to get some more entries to win the XbotGo AI Cameraman. Now, if you want some more entries, I'm going to let a small code somewhere in a future video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, so you don't miss that and get some more entries into the giveaway. Now, the giveaway is going to be running for 3 weeks from the moment that this video go live. So check again in the description, there's going to be the date right there. So guys, if you want to take this amazing giveaway with you, you know what to do now. That is pretty much it, guys. If you want more content like this one, maybe some more giveaways, subscribe to the channel, leave a like so I know that you enjoy content like this. And that is pretty much it. So see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.